My favorite color is white. My favorite color is white. You come here. Come on. You come and take some balloons. Take some balloons. Take some balloons. Take some balloons. Okay, now scatter them. Scatter the balloons. Scatter them. Scatter. What is your name? Sujata. What is Sujata doing? Sujata is scattering. What is Sujata doing?
Scattering.
Sujata is scattering the balloons. What is your name? Sudha. Sudha, please come. Sudha, collect all the balloons. Sunita, collect all the balloons. Collect, gather all the balloons. Gathering. Sunita is gathering what?
Balloon.
Collecting. So that Sunita is collecting all the balloons. Sunita, again scatter them. Scatter. Okay. Now you come here. You distribute all the balloons. Distribute. What is she doing?
Distribute.
You also come. Give few balloons. Few balloons give to her. Give few balloons. Few balloons. Now you distribute that side and you distribute this side. That side. This side. Distribute. What are you doing?
Distribute.
And she is distributing. What are you doing? Distributing. Do you have a balloon? Yes, I do. Do you have a balloon? Yes, I do. Do you have? Yes. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. I have a balloon. Now take a balloon. Stretch it. Stretch your balloon. Stretch. Everybody stretch. Stretch. What are you doing?
Stretch.
I'm stretching. Banu is stretching. Hasina is stretching. White color balloon. What is Hasina doing?
White color balloon.
Hasina is stretching. White color balloon. Sunita, where is Sunita? Hands up. What is Sunita doing? Stretch. Sunita. No stretching. What is Sunita doing? Sunita is stretching a pink color balloon. Okay, Sunita is stretching a pink color balloon. No balloon. Andarki telusu balloon andi. Sunita is stretching a pink color balloon. Now everybody blow your balloons. Blow. What are you doing? Blowing. Blow the balloon. Blow. Okay, someone blow first. Okay, don't wait. So blowing. Twist the balloon. If it is class 1 or class 2 children who can make a knot, let them make a knot. And I am knotting, okay? Knitting or making a knot. Make a knot, okay? Release in air, okay? Right. Nice, wonderful sound. Okay, then take a pin, pierce it. You please hold like that. Come here. You come here. Laha balloon is big. Come here. And teacher is bursting the balloon. So, ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని వర్డ్స్ అయితే వస్తాయో అన్ని వర్డ్స్ వాళ్ళతో పిల్లలు చేస్తే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయితే డెఫినెట్లీ ద క్లాస్ విల్ బి ఇంటరాక్టివ్ అండ్ దే learn. And you please, others all please come this side, come back and you stay here. You just walk, you also please come this side. Walk forward. Walk, what's your name? Srinija. Okay, Srinija please walk. What is Srinija doing?
Walking.
Srinija again. Srinija?
He is walking.
Srinija is walking. Srinija walk. Srinija continue. Srinija is walking continuously this way and that way. Srinija walk. Srinija is walking this way and that way. You also walk. Now both of you, both stay there. Turn around, turn back. Srinija, you also turn back. Now walk backwards. Walk backwards. What are they doing? They are walking backwards. Walking back. Again walk backwards. Again walk backwards. What are they doing? They are walking backwards. Again walk backwards. Now dash each other. Dashing. sun and the moon. Okay. Okay, thank you teachers. So this is a hummingbird. It can fly. It can fly backwards. And backwards, forward, mana cheppalante, let them do this activity. And this is the smallest bird in the world, hummingbird. Then the smallest bird in the world, hummingbird. And hummingbird also long beak. Already long beak reveal ayindi kada. It also has a long beak and it can fly backwards. It also has shiny feathers. It collects nectar from flowers. So in this way, as many as possible we can. Okay, right. Thank you so much. Please.